How to clean a washing machine quickly. Welcome to Health Conscious. Most people think that since washing machines are constantly in contact with water and detergent, that they're always clean. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Truth be told, this family appliance we use so frequently is always wet and traps dirt and other harmful microorganisms inside. These microorganisms end up gathering over time and may cause clothes to remain unclean or smell funny after being washed. So what does this mean? It means that if you don't clean it on a regular basis, your washing machine could contain mildew, which is what causes the extremely unpleasant odor. But you don't need to let it reach this point before you do something about it. Cleaning your washing machine on a regular schedule will ensure that it stays clean and mildew-free. In today's video, we're going to teach you a simple and cheap way to clean your washing machine. This tip is mainly directed towards washing machines with a front-loaded door, as this is where dirt and mildew develops most often. This is what you need: 1/4 of a cup of baking soda, 2 glasses of white vinegar, and 1/4 of a glass of water. Start by removing the rubber band that seals the entryway and wipe it clean with a damp towel or fabric, performing the same on the door and drum. Make sure to remove all visible dust and dirt. Next, mix together the baking soda with the water and pour the mixture into the detergent compartment of the machine. Add your white vinegar to the drum and start a typical washing cycle utilizing warm water. While the machine does the hard work for you, you can wipe the outside of it using a soft fabric or cloth soaked in the vinegar and hot water mix. After thoroughly cleaning the machine from the outside, wipe it down with a dry cloth. When the cycle is finished, clean the inside of the machine with steel wool or a sponge while the drum is still warm. Clean the drum and the inward corners of the machine and door. Remember to also clean the detergent compartment. It is suggested that you perform this once a month to never have to worry about dirt and mildew ever again. One bonus tip is to leave your washing machine door open when not being used. This ensures fresh air is constantly flowing and which inhibits the growth of bacteria and mold. Check out the description for our recommended supplements for overall health. Thank you for watching Health Conscious. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more helpful videos like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications.